Tech Fix Guides channel, solving your everyday problems one video at a time.
Is your computer suddenly slow, freezing, or not connecting to Wi-Fi after installing the latest update? Don't worry. This happens to thousands of users after major Windows updates. In this video, I'll show you 10 proven fixes step by step that can quickly solve these problems on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Sometimes Windows updates conflict with drivers, corrupt system files, or install incorrectly. This can cause issues like slow performance, crashes, boot problems, or network errors. The good news is most of these problems can be fixed in just a few minutes. Let's start with the first solution. First, check which update caused the issue. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Update History. Here you can see the latest updates installed on your system. If the problem started immediately after a specific update, that update might be responsible. Sometimes the simplest fix works. Click the Start menu, select Power, and choose Restart. Restarting your computer properly helps Windows complete unfinished updates and clear temporary system errors. Next, run the built-in Windows Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, and open Other Troubleshooters. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter to automatically detect and fix update errors. If your internet stopped working after the update, also run the Network Troubleshooter. Another common cause of update problems is corrupted system files. To fix this, open Command Prompt as administrator and type the following command: sfc/scan now. Press Enter and wait for the scan to complete. This tool automatically repairs damaged Windows system files. If the SFC scan doesn't fix the problem, try the DISM repair command. Open Command Prompt as administrator again and type DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health. This command repairs deeper system issues and restores Windows components. To update problems, run Network Troubleshooter if Wi-Fi issue. If your internet stopped working after the update, find Network Adapter and click Run. This tool checks Wi-Fi settings, network drivers, and connection problems. Many Windows update problems happen because drivers become incompatible after the update. Step 1. Right-click the Start menu and open Device Manager. Step 2. Check important drivers such as network adapters for Wi-Fi or internet issues, display adapters for screen or graphics problems, sound, video, and game controllers for audio issues. Step 3. If a device shows problems after the update, right-click the driver and select Rollback Driver. This will restore the previous driver version, which often fixes issues caused by the latest Windows update. Open the Run dialog, press Windows key +R on your keyboard. The Run dialog box will appear. Open System Configuration, type msconfig in the Run box and press Enter. This will open the System Configuration window. Go to the Services tab. At the top of the window, click the Services tab to see all running system and third-party services. Hide Microsoft services. Check the box, Hide all Microsoft services. This prevents disabling important Windows services. Disable remaining services, click. Disable all to turn off third-party services that may conflict with Windows updates. Restart your computer. Click Apply, then OK, and restart your computer. After the restart, check if the problem is fixed. If the issue disappears, it means a third-party program was causing the conflict with the Windows update. Uninstall the problematic Windows Update settings. Click the Start menu, then select Settings. Go to Windows Update in Settings. Click Windows Update from the menu. Open Update History, click Update History to see the list of recently installed updates. Click Uninstall Updates. Scroll down and select Uninstall Updates. This will open the list of installed updates. Remove the latest update. Find the most recent update, KB number, select it, and click Uninstall. Result: after uninstalling, restart your computer. Your system will return to the previous working state before the update was installed, which often fixes update-related problems. Step 1. Open Settings. Click the Start menu and select Settings. Step 3. Open Recovery, scroll down and select Recovery. Click Reset. This PC under Recovery Options, click Reset. This options, click Reset. This PC. Step 5. Choose Keep My Files. Select Keep My Files. This will reinstall Windows, but keep your personal files like documents, pictures, and videos. Windows will reinstall the system to fix major issues caused by updates or corrupted files without deleting your important data. After the process completes, your PC should run more smoothly. Files without deleting your important data. After the process completes, your PC should run more smoothly. Prevent future Windows update problems. Create a restore point before updates. Step 1. Search. Create a restore point in the Windows search bar. Step 2. Open System Protection Settings. Step 3. Click Create, give the restore point a name, and save it. If a Windows update causes problems, you can restore your system to this safe point. Keep your drivers updated. Step 1. Right-click the Start menu and open Device Manager. Step 2. Expand important drivers like Display Adapter, Network Adapter, and Audio Driver. Step 3. Right-click a driver and select Update Driver. Updated drivers help ensure better compatibility with new Windows updates. Pause updates. For a few days, Step 1. Open Settings arrow. Windows Update. Step 2. Click Pause Updates for a few days or 1 week. This allows Microsoft to fix early bugs before you install the update, reducing the risk of system problems. Following these simple steps can prevent most Windows Update issues and keep your PC running smoothly. Full video recap. Quick summary. Windows Update. Problem. Sometimes Windows updates can cause issues like slow performance, crashes, Wi-Fi problems, or system errors. The good news is that most of these problems can be fixed using simple troubleshooting steps. Restart and run. Troubleshooter. Start with the easiest fixes. Restart your computer properly. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Run the Network Troubleshooter if Wi-Fi stopped working. These tools can automatically detect and fix common issues. Repair system files, SFC and DISM. Use built-in repair commands to fix corrupted files. Run sfc/scanner to repair system files. Run DISM restore. Health to repair Windows image files. These commands help restore important system components. Fix driver or software conflicts. Uninstall or reset Windows. If nothing else works, uninstall the latest Windows update. Use Reset. This PC, Keep My Files, to reinstall Windows without deleting personal data. Prevent future problems. To avoid future update issues, create a restore point before major updates. Keep drivers updated regularly. Pause updates for a few days until bugs are fixed. These simple steps help keep your system stable and secure. Those were the best fixes if a Windows update broke your PC. Try these solutions step by step, and your system should start working normally again. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech troubleshooting guides. Also, comment below which fix worked for you, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech tips.